the way an LOP behaves. In fact, we are getting you some inside details of that parliamentary meeting. The Prime Minister in the NDA parliamentary meeting has condemned Rahul Gandhi's statements, Rahul Gandhi's speech in the parliament yesterday, and he has said that all have to understand that no one can stereotype Hindus, and that's the big breaking news we are bringing to you right now, viewers. NDA parliamentary meeting, Republic TV getting you the inside detail what the Prime Minister said. The Prime Minister has condemned Rahul Gandhi's anti-Hindu rant and has said that no one can stereotype the Hindus. Remember, the Prime Minister was the first one to stand up and respond to Rahul Gandhi, to object to what Rahul Gandhi was saying yesterday in the House. And he said that to young MPs, the Prime Minister has given a constructive mantra to behave nicely and stay as much as possible in Parliament and participate in debates. So there you have two details, like we're getting you two important messages that the Prime Minister has in fact sent out in this parliamentary meeting, in this NDA parliamentary meeting. First and foremost, of course, how Prime Minister has condemned Rahul Gandhi's anti-Hindu rant in the Parliament. Remember, Rahul Gandhi's speech has been expunged from the Parliament records. And my colleague Suesha Savan joins us from the newsroom. Suesha, of course, we expected this to happen, and now it's clear that Prime Minister has condemned and criticized Rahul Gandhi's utterances made yesterday. And of course, he says that he will make sure, and that everybody has to make sure in the NDA, that no one tries to insult Hindus or stereotype Hindus.
And one can only say, Rakshita, that if that is the kind of message he puts out in the NDA parliamentary meet, the way he is going to counter Rahul Gandhi today is something that every Indian is waiting to watch and hear. So, we once again remind our viewers, according to Kiran Rijiju, either at around 12 p.m. or 1 p.m., but the original time, of course, was 4 p.m., is when Prime Minister Narendra Modi would be speaking on the floor of the House, and this is the much-awaited address that is set to take place today. But with regards to what Rahul Gandhi said and the consequences of it that have already begun, Rahul Gandhi said Prime Minister Modi is not a Hindu, Amit Shah is not a Hindu, BJP leaders are not Hindus, BJP does not represent Hindus, Hindus are violent, Hindus promote violence. And here is Prime Minister Narendra Modi giving it up straight, saying that this sort of an insult against Hindus will not be tolerated. Now remember, he had also said that on the floor of the House yesterday, but Rahul Gandhi, who just refused to adhere. He just did not budge from what he was saying. In fact, Prime Minister yesterday said that calling Hindus violent is a very serious matter. This is an attack on the entire community. Amit Shah also said that crores of people proudly call themselves Hindu, and linking violence with any religion is wrong. So this certainly is the issue that takes center stage. Rahul Gandhi's anti-Hindu remarks that have not gone down well, and there is a growing chorus that he must apologize, but he does not. But Prime Minister Narendra Modi also telling his MPs straight up of the NDA that they must work, they must stay focused, they must put out important issues across the country, and that this sort of an insult will not be tolerated. All the MPs must follow the rules and regulations of the House.
Yes, Suesha, in fact, stay with us.
Yes, is all set to give it.
Yes, stay with us, Suesha. In fact, Harsha is also joining us from the Parliament House. Suesha, I beg your pardon. Harsha, of course, this is a very strong message that the Prime Minister has given out in that parliamentary meeting. And tell us more details about the Prime Minister's message to the NDA leaders.
First time a member of Parliament अंदर बिताना चाहिए और ज्यादा हम लोग को सचेत भी किया।
There seems to be a problem with that soundbite. My colleague was getting you from inside the Parliament. But going back to Suesha, who continues to be with us from the newsroom. Suesha, of course, it's very important, as you were talking about, how the Prime Minister has also, told the young MPs that they must not lose their cool, that they must stay in control and continue to take part in the debate.
Every Parliament members advised how to behave in the floor of the House and how to we work in favor of the common man.
Rahul Gandhi spoke yesterday in Parliament.
That issue, Prime Minister will answer today for that.
All right, that was the H.D. Kumaraswamy of the JDS, H.D. Kumaraswamy, when asked about, of course, what has happened and what the Prime Minister's message is saying that that the
पहली बार हमने एनडीए के सब साथियों के साथ बैठना हुआ। हमारा ये रूटीन बैठक होती है जब पार्लियामेंट सेशन होता है, तो हर मंगलवार को 9:30 बजे ये बैठक होती है और उसमें हम सब लोग मिलते हैं।
स्पेशल निर्देश किए गए हैं। राहुल गांधी के कुछ पोर्शन को उसने कम्युनलिज्म के ऊपर बोला था कि कम्युनलिज्म बीजेपी फैला रही है, लोगों को डिवाइड करके, उसको एक्सपंज कर दिया गया। क्या कहना चाहिए?
देखिए, मेरा कहना ये है सर, एक बहुत बड़ी आबादी बुनियादी सुविधा से वंचित है और मैं उनकी चर्चाओं के लिए यहाँ आया हूँ। कोई क्या बोल रहा है, उनका क्या मकसद है, ये बेहतर जो है सरकार के लोग, विपक्ष के लोग जानते होंगे। जिन लोगों की हम बात कर रहे हैं उन पर अभी तक कोई चर्चा नहीं कर रहा है। मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ, 52% ओबीसी को 52% रिजर्वेशन कब मिलेगा? मंडल कमीशन की सिफारिश से कब लागू होंगी? प्रधानमंत्री यही बात करके 2014 में आए थे। SC ST पे जो अत्याचार हो रहा है कब खत्म होगा? गरीबों की, आदिवासियों की जमीन छीनी जा रही है, उस पर जवाब देना पड़ेगा। तमाम तरह की मुसीबतें जो हैं, जो वंचित वर्ग के लोग उनके लिए आ रहे हैं, NFS करके और नोट फॉर सुटेबल करके बहुत सारे बच्चों को मौका दिया जाए। आपने लेटर एंट्री कर दी, आपने तमाम तरह की और जो है पोजीशन ली, उसका नुकसान जनता को उठाना पड़ा। अग्निवीर पर जवाब देना पड़ेगा। तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, जो सही नहीं लग रहा उसको छोड़ दो, लेकिन जो सही है उस पर तो जवाब दो। सरकार
गांधी ने भी कल अग्निवीर पे उठाया था क्वेश्चन,
उठाना चाहिए।
बोलने वाले हैं।
And that was Chandrasekhar Azad speaking on what has happened in the parliament and the political face of that has unfolded. And we continue to get you on that. More reactions coming in from inside the parliament. The Lok Sabha MPs, of course, all reacting. And now the countdown has begun for that very important reply of the Prime Minister that is scheduled for 4 p.m. today in the Lok Sabha. Remember, he will be speaking.
प्रधानमंत्री जी का मार्गदर्शन हम लोगों को प्राप्त हुआ। संसदीय परंपराओं को जिस तरीके से बीते दिनों हम लोगों ने तार-तार होते हुए देखा, भले वो स्पीकर के चुनाव को लेकर हो या LOP के पद की गरिमा को जिस तरीके से कल सदन में कमतर करने का कार्य किया गया, इन तमाम विषयों पर जहां हमारी सरकार की, प्रधानमंत्री जी की चिंताएं हैं, वहीं कम से कम एनडीए का हर एक घटक दल और एनडीए का हर एक सांसद अपने उच्चारण से, अपने आचरण से एक नई मिसाल रखने का कार्य करे। ऐसे में प्रधानमंत्री जी के अनुभव का लाभ हर एक सांसद को मिले, इस सोच के साथ आज एनडीए के संसदीय दल की बैठक रखी गई थी, जिसमें तमाम एनडीए के सांसद मौजूद थे और उसमें से कई जो नए सांसद हैं, जो पहली बार चुनकर आए हैं, उनके लिए प्रधानमंत्री जी का मार्गदर्शन ज़रूर बहुत ज़्यादा मायने रखता है, उनके अनुभव से सीखना, और आज वही मार्गदर्शन हम लोग को मिला।
किस तरह का मार्गदर्शन था? स्पेशली कुछ निर्देश कि आप लोग ऐसे बिहेव करें?
नहीं, देखिए, प्रधानमंत्री जी हमेशा इस बात को लेकर रहते हैं कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा समय लोग संसद में बिताएं, ज़्यादा से जितना समय रहेंगे उतना ही ज़्यादा सीखने को मिलता है। मैंने भी, जब मैं फर्स्ट टाइम सेकंड टाइम सांसद था, सबसे ज़्यादा मैंने प्रयास यही किया कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा समय आप हाउस में रहते हैं, डिबेट को सुनते हैं, बहुत सारी बातों को सीखने का आपको मौका मिलता है। ये तमाम बातें प्रधानमंत्री जी के भी द्वारा कही गई।
इस तरह से कम्युनल वायलेंस के ऊपर कल उन्होंने